Hi and welcome back to Just Cook. Today, as part of our lockdown budget sort of recipes of meals and snacks that we've been doing this last week, we're going to continue this theme, and today we're going to do some really easy, quick mini carrot cakes, and then we're going to decorate them with some frosting. They're nice and tasty, and what can I say, let's crack on. But it's a very easy recipe. So what I've got here, I've got one bowl here which has got all the wet ingredients in. So I've got the oil, the eggs, the carrot and milk all in there. I'm going to whisk that up in a sec. And then I've got the dry ingredients here, the sugar, the flour, bicarb, baking powder, cinnamon and salt. And I'm going to whisk them a little bit just to get them well mixed up. And literally we're going to whisk up the wet ingredients, add the two together, stir them carefully, don't want to over stir this, pop them in the cupcakes and then bang them in the oven. The recipe, everything's on our website, so you can find it there. So first of all I'm going to take the wet ingredients and say I've just put them all in one go. I'm going to beat them eggs and oil and milk all together with the carrots. Just get that really well mixed up, like so. That way. Then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the dry ingredients and I'm just going to give them a little bit of a whisk just to make sure they're all well blended. It's easier to do with a whisk, I have to say. It just gets them nicely mixed together so it's all evenly mixed. Just give that a good stir. You'll see then that's all nice now mixed together. So I'm then going to add this dry mix to the wet mix and then stir that in. Make sure it's well blended, but as I say, you just want to get this mixed. You don't want to over mix this. Just want to work that nicely together, getting all the edges away, all the dry ingredients away. And then we're going to pop this in the oven. Set the oven at 180, 200 degrees. Obviously, because they're mini ones, they won't take as long as a big carrot cake, as it were. I just thought this is quite a simple recipe, but it's a nice one for the kids. You can help them make them because it's very easy once you've got it all weighed out, two separate bowls. It's literally just mixing that together. So that's nicely mixed together now. And then you can use muffin tins. You can use, like I've got cupcakes here. Whatever you've got at home. Obviously if you're using a tray, make sure you grease them up nicely. So then I'm just going to fill these up, not quite to the top, just below the top, because they will rise a little bit. And then once these are done, we're going to pop these in the oven. They don't take long, 15-20 minutes. You can find this recipe and all our other recipes on our website. We've done some great lockdown budget stuff this last couple of weeks, last 10 days, which has been really well received. I thank you all for that. Some great feedback and great comments. So I'll get this done and then we'll get them ready for the... Okay, so I've got all those filled. I've got 23, I'll get 23, 24 probably because I got out of them. I filled a couple of them a little bit high. But get them filled up. I'm going to pop these in the oven now. They're all done. Cook them and then we'll have a look at them when they come out and decorate them. Okay, so I've baked the muffins or cupcakes for 20 minutes. They're baked off, a little bit wonky shape, but that's not a problem just because I've crammed too many on a tray. But they still taste delicious even without the frosting yet. I've tried one. And so what we're going to do now is they're cooling. While they're cooling, we're going to make our frosting. So this is a very simple frosting. It's a little bit indulgent because we're using double cream and mascarpone cheese and a bit of icing sugar. But believe me, it's very, very yummy. So as per the recipe, it's on the website. We're going to pop the mascarpone in, like so. And then double cream. Like so. There's a couple of tablespoons of icing sugar in there. So, and then we're just going to whisk this up to a nice frosting. So I think that's pretty much ready. Off. to one side. Okay, so I've got the frosting all done. I've put it in a little piping bag just to make them nicer. I'm just going to pipe some little rosettes on just to make them look nice, as you can see. Quite easy, but as I say, you can just spoon them on. They will taste just as delicious. No matter how you do it, it's just nice for the kids, I think. Have a little play around with the old piping bags and just make them look decorative like that. So I'm going to finish them, but that's them. They're really, really tasty, quick and easy to do. 20 minutes in the oven, 10 minutes to make. A little bit of decoration on them. There you go. Enjoy that. Thank you.